Hey everyone, I know it's been a while. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I just replaced an X-ray tube, and this is not a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you kind of what the process looks like. Here's the old X-ray tube, which is a different brand or manufacturer by Barracks, and then this is a Siemens tube. So you know how to disconnect all the high voltage candlesticks and communication cables and all the stratter cables, what they call that here, and how to remove the collimator, all these covers, and I still haven't put these handles back together, but all of this was literally taken apart. I think I have a picture and I'll attach it to the video. And then I had to go over here, go to tube configuration, and then as you can tell, Siemens is right there, which this is a Siemens tube now. And a little insight, this was not there previously. I had to go on the Windows side and do some fun stuff to get it to pop up for the tube file. But yeah, I know I haven't posted much. I do plan on it. I just wanted to shoot or upload a video just to show you guys that I am out here still doing the work.